Hey everybody, my name's Tim Curley, and I'm going to show you how you can get started in affiliate marketing, even if you're a beginner and don't know beans about it. Let's go! All right, let's get started. Again, my name's Tim Curley, and I'm a personal development junkie and an affiliate marketer. And today I'm going to show you how you can get started in affiliate marketing today, even if you're a complete beginner. That's right. If you just woke up out of a 20-year coma and all you know how to do on a computer is point and click, you can get started today using the Home Business Academy's step-by-step instructions. And there's three main things I want to go over with you today. One is the community, one is the commissions, and the other is the training. First of all, I want to talk about the community. It might seem left of center to talk about the community first, but I think that is one of the things that impressed me the most about the Home Business Academy. The community in the Home Business Academy is, in my opinion, second to none. You've heard the term a rising tide lifts all the boats. That's exactly how it is in our community at HBA. They have a they have a Facebook page or a Facebook group that everybody can collaborate and give tips and whatnot, and even the founders of the company, Paul and Mike, are on there directly, and they make posts and comment on the posts that you make. And it's just a wonderful community. It's full of love, and it sounds like I'm talking about a cult, but I'm not. Uh, but seriously though, it's a really loving and inclusive community that just they really want, especially the founders of Home Business Academy, Paul and Mike. They want everyone to succeed, and one thing that I like about those guys is they don't press their dreams on you. Like a lot of businesses and things that you can get into, it's like if you get the feeling like if you don't strive to be the next millionaire, that they just kind of push you to the side because your dreams aren't big enough. Paul and Mike support each and every one of our dreams, no matter if we just want to earn a couple $100 extra a month just to help ends meet, or if we do want to be that next millionaire. And everybody's the same. There's no big eyes and no little U's in the HBA community. And something that kind of ties in with the HBA community is all the trainings that Mike and Paul do. There are 11, count them, 11 opportunities to for training during the week, Monday through Friday. They do a Grow Rich Mastermind call Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern. They do a traffic and conversion Zoom call at 11 a.m. Monday through Monday through Friday Eastern time. And then on Monday nights at 8 o'clock p.m., they do an additional Zoom meeting. So and Mike and Paul are on the call. They're not some gurus that are up in their ivory tower and delegate their duties to their minions. They're right there every day. Uh, they're available. You can communicate directly with them if you need to, and they're there for you. And they're just two great guys, and they both have hearts of gold, and they really want what's best for everyone who joins HBA, the Home Business Academy. Now, second is the training. The training is freaking great. I'll just tell you, there's so much training, and it's ABC 1, 2, 3. It's step by step. And it's like I said before, if you just woke up out of a 20-year coma or crawled out of a cave and all you can do on a computer is point and click, that's all you need to get started, because you'll learn all the stuff that you need to learn through the training. And it's do this first. And the affiliate, you get your affiliate stuff set up first, then you go through the rest of the training, and it just takes you 1, 2, 3 step by step, and and get you all set up and ready to go, and you find which niche you want to go into. I chose YouTube videos because I don't mind being on camera, but there are all kinds of trainings. You don't have to be on camera and do videos if you don't want to. There are blogging options. Um, there are podcast options. There are all kind of options. Some that use social media and some that don't. Um, and there's truly something for everyone. And the one of the cool things is that it's just not a program where you learn how to sell strictly the HBA program to other people. There's also trainings in there where you can get on ClickBank, and Nick Bramble shows you exactly how to get on ClickBank, search other products, and market them as well. So you're not just stuck just reselling HBA. You can get on there and learn how to sell other products, or you can start a brand new business, or you can market an existing business uh, on your own without having to spend thousands of dollars on a marketing team. That's one of the things I kind of that kind of got me was I also sell life insurance, and I've had marketing people reach out and they say, "We've got just what you need. We'll get you all the leads you can stand. Just give us $10,000 and we'll bring them to you." And they're basically doing the same thing we're doing. Is they do online marketing with funnels and that kind of thing. And if you have something like I sell life insurance and I'm working on uh, a way to bring my own leads in with my own funnels that I build within the HBA system. There are a ton of done for you funnels, funnels that you can use as a template and tweak them and put your own purpose to them, and use them for your own purposes, like what I'm going to do. And there's the the possibilities are endless with that. And one of the and lastly, the cool thing, the cool thing uh, is with HBA, you make 80% commissions every time somebody signs up for HBA. Now, there's the funnel builder part, which is $25, which if you get in on the $25 all-in-one business package, that's what you're paying for up front. And then there's the 125 per month for the HBA premium, which is where you learn all the tips and strategies and where all the trainings and all of that stuff is. You can either go you can go with one or the other or both. When you sign somebody up for the funnel builder, they pay $25 a month, and you make $20 a month on that original sale, and $20 a month residual every month that they stay with HBA funnel builder. And on the HBA premium, which I wouldn't live without. I'll just tell you, um, for the 125, you make $100 on the original sale, on the initial sale, and $100 residual income every month for as long as the individual is signed up with HBA. So you get a bunch of people to sign up for HBA, and you don't just make that one time nice 80% commission. You make that same 80% commission on whatever they're signed up for month after month, as long as they're signed up. And that's that. I mean, if you know anything about affiliate marketing, you're lucky, you get around 10% on something, you're doing really good. Sometimes it get, maybe 15 or so, but I mean, if you get something that's around 8-10%, you're rolling in you're rolling in the dough as far as affiliate marketing is concerned most of the time. But with HBA, you get 80%, and you can make up to $120 a month residual income. And, it doesn't take but a few sales a month. Um, so you get two sales originally or initially, you get two sales and you're in profit. Then when those people renew the next month, you're in profit again. And then whatever you sell that month, like if you only sold two a month, you would eventually build up a business where, those residual checks would be fat. And you can see how, just grab a calculator and you can see how that could add up. So that's the three main topics I wanted to talk about. The HBA for beginners is the community, outstanding, very supportive, very loving. The the training, which is second to none, and in my opinion, because I've seen other trainings before, and I'd put HBA's trainings up against any gurus any day of the week. And lastly, those huge 80% commissions that you get rolling into your bank account every month, as long as they stay signed up with HBA. So that's it, boys and girls. If you got any value out of this, if you have any questions, the first link below is going to be the HBA all-in-one package link that you can click on there. That's my affiliate link to the HBA all-in-one, which is what I just described. And the second link is going to be the FAQ link. It goes straight to FAQ. There's no email capture, so don't worry about that on that FAQ. Excuse me. No email capture, no funny business. If you look at the video on the HBA all-in-one and still have questions, hit that second link. There are videos for every question you could think to ask and more. And if you think of any other questions that aren't covered in there, I want to shake your hand because they answered every question I could think of and then like 50 more. But in any event, if you have any other questions, drop them in the comment box below. If you get any value out of this, like, subscribe, hit that bell, all that good hoo-ha. And and that's it for now. Have a great whatever it is, afternoon, evening, morning, day, night, weekend, week, midweek, whatever. Peace. Love y'all.